In today's video, I will walk you through how to write short story using ChatGPT. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open your web browser and visit ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT directly on the website, and once you sign in, you will arrive at the main dashboard where you can start a new conversation. The first thing you want to do is think of a fun story idea. It does not need to be complicated. Short stories usually work best when the idea is easy to understand and has something playful or unexpected happening. For example, it could be about a talking dog, a clumsy superhero, or a student who accidentally becomes famous overnight. Funny and lighthearted situations often make the story more entertaining and easier to develop. Once you have your idea ready, go into ChatGPT and open a new chat. Then type a clear prompt describing the type of story you want ChatGPT to create. A prompt is basically the instruction you give the AI so it understands the style and topic you want. For example, you could type something like, "Saving the world with love. Make it happy and suitable for kids." After you send the prompt, ChatGPT will generate a story for you within a few seconds. Take your time reading through it carefully. You may already like the result, or you might want to make a few changes to improve it and make it feel more personal. If you want the story to be funnier, you can ask ChatGPT to add more jokes. If you want the ending to feel warmer or more emotional, you can ask it to make the ending more heartwarming. You can continue asking follow-up questions to improve different parts of the story and add more creativity. You can also ask ChatGPT to shorten the story, change the characters, or make the dialogue more exciting. If you are having trouble naming characters, ChatGPT can help with that too. One of the best parts about using ChatGPT is that you can continue adjusting the story until it sounds exactly the way you want. When creating a good short story, it also helps to include kind characters, friendship, teamwork, happy endings, or funny mistakes that turn out okay in the end. Those small details can make the story feel more enjoyable and memorable. Keep in mind that ChatGPT is there to help generate ideas and improve your writing, but your imagination is what makes the story unique. You can create as many short stories as you want and experiment with different ideas every time. If your story makes people smile, laugh, or enjoy the characters, then you have already done a great job. And that is how you can use ChatGPT to create a short story.